Good morning to the honorable judges and my dear co-participants. Today we are here to present a Jignasa study project entitled Impact of COVID-19 Pandemic on MSMEs, a study of Karimnagar district. The project is carried out by myself, I am A. Srividya, and my friends D. Vinay Kumar, M. Shrikar, R. Bharat and V. Kavya, under the supervision of Dr. M. Mallareddy sir, Assistant Professor of Commerce from Department of Commerce, SRR Government Arts and Science College, Karimnagar. Let us see the topic. As we all know, the COVID-19 pandemic has badly hit all economic activities across the world. To control the spread of COVID-19, Indian government has announced 2 lockdowns. As a result, all economic sectors, including MSMEs, were badly affected in India. MSMEs are one of the most vulnerable sectors during the pandemic based on its size, scale on operations and availability of financial resources. MSMEs are highly affected sectors in India, so this is the reason for undertaking the present study project. Let us move to the objectives. Coming to objectives of the study, there are 3 important objectives. First objective is to study the impact of COVID-19 pandemic on MSMEs in Karimnagar district. Second objective is to explore the issues and challenges faced by MSMEs during the pandemic. Third objective is to offer the possible suggestions for the revival of MSMEs. Coming to research methodology, the present study is a descriptive and analytical type of research. It is based on both primary and secondary data. Primary data has been collected from a sample of 120 units in Karimnagar district, and secondary data has been collected from various resources. Statistical tools. Simple statistical tools like percentages, averages, ANOVA and K-squares were used for analyzing the data. The survey was carried out in Karimnagar district from 10th to 20th November 2021. Thank you. The next part of the project will be continued by my co-participant Vinay Kumar.
Coming to demographic and socio-economic profile of the respondent MSMEs. First, coming to place, we had surveyed both from rural and urban areas are equally. Next, coming to the types, there are 3 types of enterprises: micro, small and medium. Majority of the enterprises are from micro, which accounts for 82.5%. Next comes to the category. There are 3 types: manufacturing, services and trading, which are distributed equally. Next, coming to registration on Udyam portal, 80% of the MSME units are not registered at Udyam portal. Next, coming to nature of enterprises, 50% of the enterprises are manufacturing their own products and services. Coming to number of workers, 37.5% of enterprises have workers range from 2 to 5. Next topic is followed by Shrikar.
Coming to key findings of the study. Let's start with MSME units closed during the lockdown periods. 51.7% of MSMEs were closed during the lockdown period. And next, coming to issues and challenges faced by MSME units during 2 lockdown periods. As per response of the MSME units, first cited issue was cash flow issue, and second cited issue was lack of demand, and third cited issue was the supply chain, and fourth cited issue was paying wages, and fifth was paying EMIs. And next, coming to impact on enterprises, 60% of enterprises were impacted very highly. Surprisingly, 10.8% of MSME units were not impacted. And next, coming to removal of workers, 69.2% of MSME units were not removed their workers. And next, coming to sales turnover, 41.7% of MSME units stated that 40 to 60% of their sales turnover were reduced. And next will be continued by Bharat.
It is found that 55% of MSMEs have utilized moratorium facility. Shockingly, 58.63% of MSME owners were not aware of Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan package, and majority of 61.7% of MSMEs have posted incurred losses during the pandemic period, and 60% of MSMEs believe growth of their business and operations. As the issues and challenges of MSMEs, mainly issues of lack of orders from customers, the increasing manufacturing cost, shortage of raw material, and payments of EMI and statutory payments, shortage of raw materials. Next part will be continued by Kavya.
Coming to the suggestions, it is suggested that MSMEs to get registered on Udyam portal to get various benefits provided by the government. The government should involve some steps to create alternate employment opportunity to those workers who were removed from the MSMEs. It is advised MSMEs to explore opportunities and strategies to increase their sales turnover. Moreover, with innovative products and online marketing, MSMEs can boost their sales turnover. The government should also provide free loans to access to MSMEs to revive their operations. The government should also reduce fuel costs to reduce manufacturing costs. It is also suggested government to relax direct indirect taxes for some period of time. The government should come with new ideas and thoughts to save MSMEs from the crisis. Coming to the conclusion, I conclude that MSME sector plays an important role in Indian economy. As MSME and the government should work hard to bounce back to the past glory to contribute to the economic growth, as MSME sector is the golden duck of Indian economy. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you for giving us this wonderful opportunity.